Alright, so I finally got the parts out of the old control room I need, which is the sleeve, collar, whatever you want, and then these two washers at the end that slip in there to keep the bolt straight in place. But here's what I have a problem with now. These stupid, cheap Chinese fucking parts, the idiots took measurements of this here. That's part of the actual control arm, not the original sleeve where the bushing sits in that you would press in and out if you got a whole new bushing, factory style. You know, this is part of the bushing sleeve itself. No, they took measurements, I'm assuming, of these flange so that when you buy and have to replace your control arm bushings for these cheap ass fucking Chinese piece of shit control arms, look at that. Look at all this extra space. So I'm pretty much fucked right now, to be honest. I'm gonna have to go get measurements and try to get some sort of collar spacer to go over this bushing, or just say fuck it and install these bushings and put my factory control arm, lower A arm, back on, because otherwise my car's just sitting here. So I'm probably gonna end up putting the bushing in my factory one. I might as well, since I got the front kit, might as well take and replace this one as well, since it came with it. And my ball joint's still good. So I'm gonna end up having to do that for the time being. Otherwise, my car's just sitting here on jack stands. And yeah, that makes me very I don't know, anxiety and all the other good shit, because one, I gotta drive my truck, which I got a freaking 6-liter sitting in the cargo compartment in the back, so I gotta be very careful driving, make sure to roll over, as I've had happen before, thanks to some crappy Walmart ratchet straps. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna be continuing to replace the bushings on my factory one and forget about the stupid weight savings of a mere 5 or 6 pounds, and I will be back in business, I guess, then. So do not buy these Chinese crap aftermarket ones from eBay, from Speed Daddy. Buy name brand control arms, A arms. Otherwise, you're going to be very screwed, period, end, subject. Shots fired, projectile downrange, all that good stuff. Roger, good. So, now that we're following, we're on the same track, I guess when you buy A-arms, buy from a name brand, period.